What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing an unboxing video to you guys. Hopefully this is the first of many. I always get new things, but it doesn't always click in my head to record when I'm doing this. Only when I get like a bunch of stuff. But if I get like one good thing, for some reason, it doesn't occur to me to share with you guys. I don't know why. I'm still like getting used to this YouTube thing, so just bear with me. But today I am bringing you my first unboxing video. This is a bag that I have been after for a little bit while now. I think I'm actually like a little late on the train when it comes to this bag. But I saw it, I fell in love with it, and I just had to have it. Now, before we get into it, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, just letting me know that you love videos like these. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But if you have been here before, of course, welcome back. Now, when it comes to Coach bags, of course, this is not my first Coach bags. I've been wearing Coach bags since I was like 10 or 11. Like most people have at least had one Coach bag in their lifetime. Coach has been around for so long, and to me, it's an affordable luxury bag. My first Coach bag was like this really cute pink shoulder bag. It was so cute. I actually wish I had that bag this day because I will be rocking it to the end, okay? And honestly, I don't know when, but Coach like recently did some type of rebranding. I don't know, but like, you know, when you were younger, I would like pull for Coach all the time. As I got a little bit older, I started to turn away from that, going to the more expensive luxury bags like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, things like that. But now Coach is like at their necks. Like Coach is really stepping up in the game. Now, rumor has it is that somebody left, I don't know if it's Louis Vuitton or Balenciaga, one of them. Somebody left one of those companies and started working for Coach and started putting Coach on game, okay? I don't know who they are, but they are definitely doing some good. Let's open this baby up. Now, when I went to the store, y'all, and I got this, mind you, this bag is also sold out online. I don't know, I haven't checked today. It may be available today because they did say it was going to be available in July. But it is available on Amazon and it is available in some stores. I had to go in the store to buy this. When I went to the mall this day, I had no intention of purchasing this bag. I knew that there was a Coach in this mall. I went to the Mall of Georgia. I knew that there was a Coach in here, but in my head, I'm thinking sold out online. Of course, it's going to be sold out in stores. That's what I was thinking. But lo and behold, baby, I walked up to the Coach store and there was like right there in the window. So I asked the lady, I'm like, is this the last one? And she's like, no. I'm like, okay, bag, because I didn't want the window display bag. I wanted a bag from the back. I honestly don't think I've ever paid for a purchase so quickly in the store, like crazy. All right, let's open her up. Of course, it comes with a dust bag. This is like a kind of, I guess, like a satin type of dust bags. It's different from like a Louis Vuitton dust bag. The material is anyway. Okay, here she is. This is the Coach quilted tabby bag. This is the size 26. They also have a 20, which is a little bit smaller, but I really wanted the 26. I could have gotten the 20. I think the bag, like my phone and, you know, my essentials will still fit in the 20, but I really just wanted the bigger one. Like all the tabby bags, it has the C in there. This is the quilted style. Now, baby, this is definitely giving you Chanel, okay? And if you're like me, you cannot afford a Chanel bag right now. We will get there one day. This is the quilted denim. It's all around on both sides. It has the denim in gold. This is like a brass gold, I guess you can call it. It also has the dog tag. You can actually get this engraved or customized. You can get your initials on here or whatever you want to get on here. They also have like emojis available. At the time, I wasn't sure what I wanted to get, so I just kind of passed on that. But the lady did tell me that I could come back and get mine customized. And once you customize this, you cannot bring this bag back. Like it's yours forever. So if you're on the fence and you want to take the bag home just to see how you like it and feel about it, pass on getting this customized because you will not be able to bring the bag back. It does have the chain straps. These straps are adjustable. You have to open the bag and of course stretch them out. This is how you would have the bag if you want it in the shoulder style. Now, if you want it longer, you could easily just do it like that. Let's open this baby up. Now on the inside, you have your zipper pocket. I'll try to like get up a little bit closer to show you guys, but I can't do that right now because I'm sitting down. Then you have this back pocket in the back, and then there is a front pocket in the front. And there's also another pocket here that is buttoned. And I think for me, this little hidden pocket right here is definitely gonna come in handy. There, I will probably hide my keys in there, which is something that for me, I am a person that's always like in and out of my bag, like all the time. So I will probably put my keys there just so they're not in the way on these. I could put like my phone, lip gloss, things like that. And of course, I'll put all my cards in the zipper part. And then there's this back pocket here. I'm not sure what I would put in here. I probably wouldn't put anything. For me, it'll just be there. Down here, which is like the closure part, it does have Coach written. It's very, very cute in that same brass or gold brass that the straps are. I really love like the stitching throughout the bag. It's like a maybe like a gold brownish kind of stitching. I actually have some jeans that match this bag perfectly, like 2 pairs of jeans that match this bag perfectly. Of course, that same brass gold, which is outlining where your straps go as well. Now this is a good quality bag. The denim on it feels nice. It's not like a super rough denim. I also love how the bottom is very stiff, so I don't have to worry about this bag drooping later. Now there are many options when it comes to customizing this bag. Coach has this really cute like cherry charm that you can attach to this bag. I probably won't get that because really that's just not my style, but on people's bags, like it looks so cute and so adorable. I'll have to look to see if there are any charms that I would like. I honestly don't think that I'll put a charm on this bag. If there's anything like, I don't know, like a scarf tie or something like that, I'll probably put that on there if that's something that's like available. But that's it. I wouldn't put too much on this bag just because I like a more classic look. The bag is already very, very beautiful, so I don't want to take away from the bag by adding like all kinds of things to it. Also, this bag comes in other colors. I forgot to talk about that. This bag, it comes in, I had to go get my iPad just so I can see. It comes in a black and silver. It comes in a black and gold. It also comes in like a cream color and gold and all purple, which is very pretty. It's like a lilac purple. And it also comes in like this floral, like daisy kind of print. It's like all black and it has like daisies all over it. It's very pretty. And it also has this like tie-dye, like a navy blue tie-dye. I actually saw that one in stores. It's actually very cute. Not my style, but very cute. When it comes to pricing, this bag, the 26, is $5.50. But as I mentioned, there's also a size 20. The 20 is for $3.95, but the 20 comes in more colors than the 26. The only extra color that I see that the 20 has, the 26 does it, is a pink tie-dye. Just similar to the blue tie-dye, they have this option in pink. That pink is not available in the 26, or at least it is not available on the website right now. Now again, both of these bags, both the 26 and the 20, are not available online. It says coming in July. It is July right now, so maybe just give them some time. Maybe they meant like mid-July or the end of July. I'm not sure. But like I said, I will go ahead and put additional options down below in the description box. If you are like me, just go ahead. If there's a Coach store next to you, go look in your nearest Coach store. 9 times out of 10, they probably have the bag. When it comes to styling this bag, Coach actually has a matching pair of shoes and a matching pair of sandals. The sandals, they are a quilted flat sandal, just like the bag. Those are sold out. There is a Coach, it's like a block heel, very cute, small slingback sandal. Is it slingback? No, I don't know what it's called. Like a mule. It's a really cute mule style sandal that matches the bag very well. It has a C on it also. I did purchase that. I actually purchased that from Bloomingdale's. Bloomingdale's had a sale going on, and so I bought those sandals for $81 or so. It is on the Coach website on sale as well, but it's for like $136 or something like that. So if you really Google like Coach denim sandal, those sandals should also come up. Also put a link to the sandals that I purchased down below, just so you guys can see how it looks. I'm definitely wearing that when I wear this because it's gonna look so cute. I do really wish I could have gotten my hands on the quilted sandal, but I just refuse to pay resale prices for stuff. Unless it's like a really good resale price, I'll go ahead and just bite the bullet, but some of these people are charging way too much for a COACH sandal, in my opinion. So of course, I'm gonna give you some styling options on what to rock with this bag. An option that you can wear with this bag is of course your basic white button down. I have a satin button down shirt and some cute matching jeans. They are these Levi jeans that I purchased. They're the rib cage wide leg jeans. Those match this bag perfectly. I absolutely love the way that these jeans fit. I did get those jeans in a size 29. I was gonna go up to a 30, but the lady that worked there, she was like, no, these jeans, they're 100% cotton. They're gonna stretch out. So definitely get your regular size. Other jeans that I've looked at or tried on from Levi's did not fit me, 29 or nothing. I don't know. So I think those jeans, she said that they were 100% cotton, but to me, it has to have like some, because I feel like it has some stretch to it. But I did go ahead and get my regular size, and hopefully they will stretch out just a little bit, because I did try on the size 30 and I did like the way that those fit better. But I'm just gonna trust the process. I went ahead and got the 29, and hopefully they do loosen up and stretch out a little bit more. Of course, I plan to pair this with those denim sandals. They are not in right now. They actually just got shipped today, so I'm excited about that. So today I'm just pairing them with just some brown sandals that I have around the house. Another look that you can have is of course with a denim dress. I got this denim dress from Walmart for $17. Yup. Now it does not 100% match like the denim on this. At the inseams, or like where the stitching is for like the quilted part, the denim is like a tad bit darker. So I think that it definitely works with this color denim, but you can always just play with it. The denim does not have to 100% match. Sometimes I'm just a little bit anal about that, but it looks just as good with this denim dress. So if you did happen to have to go a little bit darker on the denim, it's totally fine. Now for this, I also paired with some brown sandals that I have. If you want to find a pair of denim sandals or heels to wear with this dress, you can. I am absolutely comfortable in wearing my brown sandals with this. Another option you may have is a denim on denim look. I went ahead and paired this denim oversized shirt with some shorts. Now you aren't able to really see the shorts that I have on, which is totally fine because that's the look that I was going for. Now if you want to go ahead and tuck one side in just to show that you have a short, that's perfectly fine as well. But for me, I just went ahead and wanted to wear the oversized shirt, and I went ahead and added a belt just to stitch my waist in a little bit more to give me some curves. This I would definitely pair with some heels, just because I feel like this one I wanted to make a little bit dressy, give it a little bit more street look, because it is a baggy oversized look. I wanted to make it a little bit more feminine and wear some heels with this look. Now for a more dressed down look, you can definitely rock some sneakers with this, with some cute jeans, as well as a crop top that fits perfectly fine. You can wear it dressed up or dressed down. It looks so cute either way. So many styling options when it comes to this bag. Overall for me, this bag is definitely a 10 out of 10. I love it. Like if you were a girl that can't afford a Chanel bag right now, this is an option for you. It is just everything that I wanted in a denim bag in regards to size, color, just everything. I just love it. I love the pocket options as well. I just love how classic it looks without being too like gaudy, because sometimes like with the denim bag, you can go a little bit overboard, but I think they did a really good job at making this still look classic, but making it look like edgy at the same time. Now, if you enjoyed this review, please, again, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to my channel. And as always, you guys, I will see you in the next video.